Here are some landscaping design ideas for your garden. Create themed areas in your garden such as zen garden, cottage garden or meditation garden. Each theme can incorporate specific plants, materials and features to evoke a particular ambience. Incorporate a weather feature like a fountain, pond or waterfall to add visually interested and calming element of your garden. Consider the size of your space and whether you prefer natural and contemporary design. Design pathways using materials like clay, stepping stones or crevice to aid visits through your garden. Curved pathways can add a scene of mystery and discovery while straight paths provide a formal look. Utilize vertical space by installing trellis, pergolas and living walls for climbing plants like ivy, jasmine or roses. Vertical gardens not only save space but also texture and greenery to vertical surface. Create inviting seating areas with benches, chairs and cozy outdoor sofas surrounded by lush vegetation. Consider adding a pergola and canopy of shade and privacy. Incorporate containers garden filled with the colorful flowers, herbs or vegetables to add interest and flexibility of your home garden design. Mix and match containers of different sizes, shapes and materials for visually appeal. Plan your garden to have your round interest by selecting paths with a variety bloom times, foliage, colors and texture, incorporating evergreen trees and shrubs for structure and community throughout the seasons. Illuminate your garden with spiritually placed outdoor lighting and extend its use into evening hours. Use pathway lights, porch lights and string lights. Highlight focal points, create ambience and incorporate safety. Here are some garden features ideas to enhance your outdoor space. Fountains add focal point and soothing sound with a fountain available as various style and size. Ponds create a serene and atmosphere with a pond complete with an aquatic plant and perhaps even fish. Incorporating a waterfall dramatic effect cascading into pool of a stream. Install a patio or desk for dining, lounging and entertainment. Fire pit, gather around a fire pit for warmth and ambience of cloudy night. Create a dedicated cooking area with a grill, countertops and seating. Provide shade and support climbing plants, create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Add horticulture interested support for climbing roses or vines. Gazebo offers a sheltered spot for relaxation and outdoor gatherings. Introduce visually interest and artist flair with sculpture and steps. Bring soothing sounds of your garden with the wind chimes and various materials and designs. Incorporate mosaic tiles into pathways, walls, or stepping stones for colorful accents. Illuminate pathways and quiet whispers through the garden. Highlight horticulture features, trees or focal points. Create a magic ambience overhead with a string lights drop between trees and pergolas. Utilize walls or structure to create vertical garden with a climbing paths or modular planting systems. Train trees to grow flat against the wall of tree life for unique and space-saving